this is Dan Fashionbauer from Video Pizzazz. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Facebook pixel to a Convertri page. Alright, so let's go over to Facebook. So I happen to be running Business Manager in Facebook. So it's a little bit different for finding your pixel. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how to find your pixel if you're running Business Manager. So come up in the upper right hand corner, click on the pull down. Under Business Manager, I'm going to select my Video Pizzazz LLC area. And then you can click here, Business Manager, Business Settings, or you can just come over here and click on Business Settings. And then come down here on the left-hand column to Data Sources and select Pixels. And then make sure that you have your correct pixel area. In my case, it says Video Pizzazz's pixel. And then click on Open in Events Manager. And you'll notice here it still says Video Pizzazz's pixel. Come over here and click on Setup. Click on Install Pixel. And the option that we want is this middle one here where it says manually add pixel code to website. Select that. And then that brings up your pixel code. If you hover your mouse over this area here, it'll turn blue. Just click on that and it says copy to clipboard. So now you need to go over to Convertri, find the funnel that you want to work with. In my case, it's Eau Claire Businesses. Click the funnel name here. So let's bring up our free video or our opt-in page. Click on Edit Page. Click on Page, Custom Scripts. Make sure that the Page tab is selected. Click on Add Page Script. For the script name, I'm just going to call it Facebook Pixel Eau Claire. So for the description, I'm just going to say Facebook pixel for collecting leads from Eau Claire. We're going to leave it selected as run on page load. And script position, I'm going to leave it as body. And then we need to enter in our pixel code. So go back over to your Facebook pixel area. Click in here, copy to clipboard. Come back over to Convertri. Click here, Control V, paste that in there. And click on Save. And then you can see it listed right here. There's a little warning sign which says you need to republish your page before the script is active. Alright, so then we'll click on Done, click on Save, click on Publish, click on Publish. Now we can view the page. Now I'm going to use the Chrome Pixel Helper extension to get more information here. So if you don't have this Chrome Pixel Helper installed, just Google it and install that on your Google Chrome browser. But if I click on this now, it'll say one pixel found on eauclairbusinesses.convertri.com. So that proves to be that my pixel was installed correctly, saved, and is working properly. Alright, so now that our pixel's working correctly, let's create a Facebook custom audience using that pixel. So we'll go back over to Facebook and I can exit out of this now. So I can come up here and click on this icon up here, come down to All Tools and click on Audiences. Use the pull down here and select the business that you want to work with. In my case, it's Video Pizzazz. And here's some previous audiences that I had. Click on Create Audience, Custom Audience. Select website as your source. So it says include people who met any of the following criteria. I'm going to leave that as any. I'm going to be using my Video Pizzazz pixel. And here I'm going to select people who visited a specific web page. And since I'm allowed up to a maximum of 180 days to save this data, I'm going to put that in there. 180 days. Now we want to enter in our URL of our opt-in page, which is this. Control V for the name of your audience. I'll call it Eau Claire Businesses Free Video Opt-in. Alright, so to recap, it says include people who meet any of the following criteria, and I'm going to be using my Video Pizzazz Pixel. So people who visited specific web pages in the past 180 days. So anybody who has come to this free video URL in the past 180 days, I'm going to collect their information and put them in this audience here called Eau Claire Businesses Free Video Opt-in. Click on Create Audience. It says your custom audience was created. It may take a few minutes for us to finish matching your customers to people on Facebook. We'll notify you when this process is finished. You can also check the status in Audience Manager. All right, click on Done. In the top line it says Eau Claire Businesses Free Video Opt-in, and it's not available yet because I don't have any data yet, basically. All right, so let's do the same thing for our thank you page. So we'll go back over to Convertri. I'll click here to go back to the funnel. Let's edit our thank you page. So we're going to add in our Facebook pixel on this page. So we'll go Page, Custom Scripts. Make sure the Page tab is selected. Click on Add Page Script. For a script name, call it Facebook Pixel Eau Claire. For the description, call it Facebook Pixel for collecting leads from Eau Claire. I'm going to run on page load. I'm going to leave it in the body area. And we need to put in our Facebook pixel code. So we'll go back over to Facebook. Click here to select our pixel code. It says copied. Come back over to Convertri. Click here. Control V, paste that in there. Click on Save. And again, it says that you need to republish your page. All right, click on Done, click on Save, click on Publish, click on Publish, click on View Page, and then come up here to your pixel helper, click on that, and it'll say 1 pixel found on eauclairebusinesses.convertri.com. And if you click on View Analytics, it'll take you back to Facebook to look at the analytics, but since I don't have any traffic yet, this is useless. All right, so now we have our Facebook pixel installed and saved on our thank you page. So now let's create a custom audience in Facebook for our thank you page. So we'll go back over to our custom audience area on Facebook. Click Create Custom Audience. Select Custom Audience. Use your sources. We want website. Again, we want to leave this as any. We want to use the Video Pizzazz Pixel. We want all visitors that go to a specific page. That specific page is going to be our thank you page. And then we want to change this to 180 days. And then we need to name our audience. I'm going to call this Eau Claire Businesses Free Video Thank You. Click on Create Audience. Click on Done. So now we are set up to create 2 custom audiences from our pages. So the thank you page will contain everybody that actually opted in and got to your thank you page. The opt-in page will only include people that went to your opt-in form but did not sign in and get taken to the thank you page. So these 2 lists could be a little different because not everybody will opt in. So the opt-in page audience will be larger than your thank you page in most cases because not everybody will opt in. All right, so that's how you would apply your Facebook pixel to a Convertri page. And then if you wanted to get more granular, you could create custom audiences within inside of Facebook using that pixel. All right, so I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.